History. Renault, a prominent French automobile manufacturer, was founded by Louis Renault in 1899. Louis Renault, along with his brothers Marcel and Fernand, began building cars in their family's small workshop in Paris. The company's early years were marked by innovation and rapid growth, establishing Renault as a significant player in the automotive industry. Early success. Renault's early success can be attributed to its innovative designs and engineering. One of the brand's breakthroughs was the Renault Voiturette, a compact, affordable, and easy-to-maintain car introduced in 1899. This vehicle, often considered one of the first mass-produced cars, quickly gained popularity and established Renault as a leader in the automotive market. By 1905, Renault was the largest automobile manufacturer in France. Best inventions. Renault has a history of introducing groundbreaking inventions in the automotive world. One of the most notable was the introduction of the direct drive gearbox in 1905, a significant advancement in transmission technology. Renault's focus on innovation also extended to racing, with the company winning the first ever Grand Prix in 1906. Recent developments. In recent years, Renault has continued to evolve with the changing automotive landscape. The brand has expanded its electric vehicle EV lineup with models like the Renault Zoe and the Automoizer, contributing to the global shift towards electric mobility. Additionally, Renault has been active in developing autonomous driving technology and exploring new mobility solutions. Current status. Renault remains an active and significant player in the global automotive industry. The company is part of the Renault-Nissan-Mitsubishi Alliance, one of the world's